Hi, welcome to my channel. Today is a Goodwill Halloween decor and clothing haul. So I have been like a little more conscious of what I buy, and I'm trying to only buy from small shops or buy secondhand. But when Halloween season came around, Halloween season around in October or around in like August, I started seeing people buy all these things, and I love buying Halloween stuff. It's the best. I would do it all year if I could. But I was like, ethically I can't. I want to be sustainable. And people showed all this cute Target clothes, and we're now late September and things were just getting more and more. And I was like, nope, have to stay away from it. But then I went to Goodwill to look for something else and discovered it's Halloween at Goodwill. They have costumes, they have decor, they have Halloween themed clothes that you can use for costumes or just stuff for just for loving Halloween. They have so much, and it is amazing. So for example, for more just clothing, I got like these Halloween pants that just says Halloween, just like pajama bottoms, and they I think I probably $1 or $2. So they have, like, as I said, clothing, just clothing for if you love Halloween. These are super soft, by the way, no holes or anything. Then there's this amazing cat shirt. A cat with a witch hat you can't really pass up, in my opinion. That's just like a must. And it was brand new. It had tags on. Around 10% of things at Goodwill get bought. The rest end up at landfill. So I also try to really, before I buy anything, go to Goodwill, check out, do they have it? Prevent things from going to these landfill. Get a good deal, and get things that are not everyone's wearing this year. Because as much as I love, for example, those Target pajamas, everyone was wearing them, and I just liked having something that everyone has. So there's like, it's good for the environment, for you, and for your economy. So there's just a lot of positives. And yeah, I got this shirt, which I thought was really cool. It's a Spirit Halloween brand. I got it for $2, and so it's obviously skeleton, but unlike most shirts, it has it on the back too. And I really like that, because I always feel it's, you have this fancy front and there's like nothing on the back when you walk away. So that's what drew me to this opposed to other skeleton shirts. I thought it was super cool. Then this little thing, just a Halloween scarf with little bats. It was 30 cents, and it was also had tags on. Someone had just donated it. I was very happy. They actually had a few for my kids who also love Halloween. That I found this for my daughter who loves pink and Halloween. I just thought this skirt was super cute. It's like a mesh material thing going on, and then just a satiny pink skirt underneath. Not brand new, but definitely in great condition. Another thing my oldest daughter has already worn several times is this. I kind of feel it's a subtle. It was under Halloween stuff, but as I said, I feel it's a little more subtle with the orange and such. It's corduroy on the bottom and just like cotton on the top. Let me see what else I have. Then, like, if we go more into costumes. Then I was like a little more skeptical. So I found this bloody veil, and it's brand new, as you can see. It has the tags on. They had 2 or 3, and the woman I talked to, she was like, yeah, you haven't even seen half of it. We're just waiting for things to sell out so we can put new stuff out. And it just showed me like all of these things could go to waste. I thought it was so cool, and I love that it's not just the flowering detail, the little leaves on the headband. Obviously I have not cut it off and shown it is full glory yet, because I still don't quite know what I'm using it for, but I just had to have it. Then I found this skeleton poncho. This is, I guess you could use it for a costume, like with skeleton leggings and such. I just plan to wear it as a poncho as it is. They had, it's very nice. There is nothing on the back, but that's fine. They also had like Day of the Dead, where there was like floral stuff and floral detailing on it. I wasn't the recommended 80 pounds that it said for it, but it was very gorgeous. And then you could get like something like this, but with more Day of the Dead inspired, with the sugar skulls and such. It was really beautiful. Then they also have like full costumes and then just pieces. I also got a unicorn horn. That is probably one of my favorite finds because it was super cheap. And then found this mask, kind of fake Jason mask, and a little steampunk hat. Their steampunk selection was actually quite impressive because they had the goggles, they had like a big hat, and they had like this fancy skirt. It said it was only in a size small, but it was really beautiful. They also have a lot of decor. They have like skeletons and ghosts, like every kind of Halloween decor, door signs that you would see in like Spirit Halloween or at Michael's or Joann's for Halloween. I think I'm so in love with this sign. We have it currently on our door. I just brought it in. I've already gotten compliments on my door sign because it's cool. And again, I don't know when this was in the mainstream stores, but I've seen someone else have it. But it's super cool. This was $1.03. Definitely worth it. So this was a few things I got from Goodwill. So I would definitely recommend go check out your Goodwill. They probably have some good stuff, and she said they're just, at least at ours, they're just gonna keep bringing things out until they're all sold out. And I'm not sure, but I would definitely also check it after Halloween if they have a sale or something. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you find anything good at your Goodwill, let me know. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.